Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Mikis Auto Tools. My channel focuses on sharing knowledge about building effective affiliate marketing systems on platforms like Shopee and TikTok. In the previous video, I covered all the page management features in the MKT page software. Today, I will show you how to warm up and nurture Facebook pages using the interaction feature inside the MKT page system. Before we get into the main content, let's start with the intro. First, go to the interaction feature. Inside this section, you can create an interaction script. You will enter a script name and then set the total number of actions. This total number represents all combined actions below. You can set a large number such as 600 or even 6,666 just to ensure the system runs continuously. Of course, in reality, the system will only execute within safe limits. After naming your script, you can select or edit existing interaction templates or create a new one. You can also set the delay between actions, usually between 5 to 10 seconds. The system can also generate AI comments automatically if you choose to enable AI integration. You can connect tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Grok to generate natural comments. Next are the interaction activities. You can set the system to *read notifications, *view stories, *scroll news feed for a set amount of time, *like posts on the feed, *comment on posts with pre-written or AI-generated content, *share posts to your personal profile, *watch videos on Facebook Watch. Most users only need to set basic actions like notifications and story viewing, but you can customize everything depending on your strategy. Next is group interaction. The system can automatically find and interact with Facebook groups based on keywords or group UIDs. Inside groups, it can *like posts, *comment on posts, *reply to comments, *join or leave groups, *leave groups waiting for approval, *engage with group members. You can also input specific group IDs for targeted interaction. The system supports many advanced actions such as commenting in groups, inviting members to groups, leaving inactive or restricted groups. Next is page interaction. This feature allows your pages to interact with other pages. Actions include liking pages, following pages, scrolling page content, optionally leaving pages after interaction. This helps build a strong engagement network between pages. The purpose of this interaction system is to warm up your pages and align them with your target audience. For example, if you are working in niches like movie reviews, fashion, or sports, you should interact with pages in the same niche. Over time, Facebook will better understand your page's topic and audience. As a result, when you post content, Facebook will distribute it directly to the right audience who are already interested in that topic. This improves reach, engagement, and the ability for your content to go viral. Without warming up pages, your content may not perform well and your page may struggle to grow. That is why page nurturing is essential, and this software helps you automate the entire process so you don't need to spend hours manually scrolling and interacting. So that is how you use the interaction feature to warm up and grow your Facebook pages using MKT page. That's it for today's video. If you find it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to stay updated with my next videos.